Hello and welcome to my next part of Module 5 assignment AI for project management in the organization. This is part 2 for assigned scenario prompting. So I have a specific scenario A assigned to prompt, and then I will work to further refine it. And this is starting with a vague prompt and then giving it some more detail to see if it can produce some features that I think are important. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this first prompt and go ahead and see what Requisitor AI produces. So you've been asked to help plan the launch of a new mobile app for your university's career services center. It should include resume tips, job postings, and company events. So give it a second, see what it comes up with first. And I got a few ideas of things on my other screen here that I'm going to paste in there to, or something similar to get the output that I desire. So let's see how comprehensive and detailed Requisitor AI can get. Okay, cool. It gave us some output here. Um, got a couple milestones. We got three. Okay, cool. So three milestones, kind of like the first part of the exercise. Project overview is called the project name's University Career Services Mobile App Launch. Cool. Okay, and again is like by the end of the month. It seems like a ambitious but um, logical timeline since we're at the beginning of October. Plans to launch a comprehensive. Okay. Yep, it took all the main ideas for what we need to do, and it's broken down into initial app development. Looks like we need to set up the architecture, design the UI, integrate the resume tips features, cool. Advanced features and testing, integrate company events calendar, implement jobs, posting, conduct user testing, third milestones, final prep and launch. Cool. Launch app. Okay, so this looks nice and it seems pretty logical. I'm not a super software development savvy project person, but nonetheless, it's just the part of the exercise to get used to this. So, one thing, let's see, I was thinking about adding, I would like to see like a student profile and a employer profile. I'm just doing Control F to see if the output contained anything for that. Like if you go to, like I've actually got my last job or one of my last jobs from the MSOE Career Fair. So what I liked is that you have an employer profile and a student profile, and they can talk to you on there, and you can engage outside of the career fair. It's just an important feature, but let's just see if we can add that and get some further details. So I'm gonna say, please add, maybe you get bonus points for being polite, who knows. Please add student employer profiles to enable um, communication and flexibility. Let's try that. I'm gonna post that, paste that back on my assignment. All right, let's see what that does. If it does anything. And this is experimenting, right? We're gonna see if it changes anything, makes it more detailed and specific. So I'm excited. Let's see. It's a challenge. Challenge for a Requisitor. I've created a comprehensive project plan. You can now review the edit details on the right. So let's go through and see. Let's see if it changed anything. User test. I don't know if it added anything. Let's see. Profile. I don't know. It might be too specific, and it might be a better way to implement a requirement like that. But it looks like it didn't really. That might be on me to go in and edit the overall output. Just was an experiment, but it didn't look like it added that type of requirement or interface. But nonetheless, let's try another one. This one was kind of sparked from the module 5 um, readings and the insights. So, like if we're creating an app, right? I think maybe an agile project management structure would be nice. So I'm gonna say make sure to incorporate an agile project management structure to the project plan. Maybe it'll turn it into sprints or something like that. Maybe we'll see what happens. That was just my idea. Let's try. So we're attempting this iterative prompting to get something more tailored. First one didn't work as planned, but no problem. Let's think this is still a useful tool nonetheless. Hmm. So I don't think it changed anything. Interesting. Maybe that was asking too much. Not sure. But I'll go back and search the internet and try to learn more about if you can implement Agile. But for the sake of this exercise, those were two ideas I had to see if I could refine it. Thanks for watching.